Let's give a warm round of applause to Mr. Paolo Feliciano.
Hello, good afternoon everyone, and I'm happy to be here and thank you for inviting me, Choby. I'll keep this short because I think we're running late. You know me as a wedding photographer, but some people also know me as a furniture and interior photographer. I started actually as a furniture photographer because I grew up around furniture. My dad is a furniture manufacturer and I started shooting for him and for other furniture manufacturers. And eventually I got into wedding photography. Medyo mahabang kwento eh, so hindi ko na kwento. Kung gusto niyo malaman yung kwento, sabihin niyo lang sa akin. I'm here just to give you 5 short tips, 5 very practical tips on how to not really improve your, maybe siguro improve your craft or be better at photography in general. Una-una, I always go back to the reason and the purpose of why I'm shooting, why I'm doing what I'm doing. If before kayo mag-start, think about your purpose. So isipin mo, bakit ba ako nag-shoot? Why am I doing this? Because if it's just about money, like everybody says that wedding, maraming pera. Actually, kahit saan naman, maraming pera eh. Maraming pera kung magaling ka, kung tama yung market mo, kung tama yung ginagawa mo, kung masipag ka. So parang pwede mong i-apply yun kahit saan naman. So kung pwede kang maging food photographer, pwede kang mag-shoot ng mga sexy, eh kung ikaw naman yung pinakamagaling, kung ikaw naman yung maraming shoot, edi ikaw yung pinakamayaman, di ba? Think about your purpose. Think about what you want to achieve as a photographer, as an artist, as a creative. Yung wedding naman, hindi ko naman talaga siya ginagawa just because of the money. Of course, nandun din yun, syempre. But I'm doing it because I want to give bride and groom special mementos for their special day. I guess my next advice is to find a niche. Find something na kung saan ka magaling, kung saan magpo-flourish. Like for me, swerte ako kasi na yun nga, I grew up around furniture, so medyo alam ko kung paano siya i-shoot, alam ko kung paano siya i-present. So that's one of my areas. And dun sa wedding naman, medyo na-discover ko lang siya. Yun nga, like I said, medyo mahabang kwento. Na-discover ko lang siya na, uy, pwede pala. So, find that niche, find that area na kung saan kayo kagaling. Kasi not everybody will be a glamour photographer, photojournalist, food photographer, not everybody is a interior photographer. Hanapin nyo yung saan kayo masaya. And then my next is work with people you like. Swerte kayo kasi merong ganito. Noong nag-start ako, nakikishoot lang ako kay Borj dati. Pupunta ako sa studio niya. Siyempuan ko, pag may shoot siya makikishoot ako sa kanya. Tapos wala akong gamit, wala akong kahit na ano. Kailangan nyo lang talaga mag-reach out, mag-connect. Connect lang kayo. Huwag kayo mahiya. Go out of your shell. Just like yung ginawa ko na medyo, yun nga, sabi ko nga, medyo mahihain ako, pero tinanggal ko yung hiya ko. Ngayon, walang hiya na ako. So yun, get your 10,000 hours in. Familiar ba kayo sa 10,000 hours? Yung sabi nila na you need 10,000 hours of practice para to be good at something. Yun, shoot lang ng shoot, edit lang ng edit. Do something na hindi pa nagawa before. And experiment. Kung nakita niyo yung lighting ko kanina, experiment lang yan. Nag-start yun as experiment lang. Tinry ko lang siya sa isang wedding. Sabi ko, baka pwedeng gawin. Naging ano na siya, regular lighting setup ko for weddings. My fourth advice is check your attitude. Half ng ginagawa natin is connecting with people. So, be nice to everybody. Hindi pwedeng sabihin mo na pagdating mo sa shoot, magaling ka, ganyan, ikaw yung pinakamagaling, ikaw yung ano. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Kailangan, humble ka palagi, be willing to learn, listen to advice. Okay, last one is be fearless. Huwag kayo matakot na blurred ka or mali yung ilaw ko, mali yung ganyan. Kasi it's part of growing up na yung mga mistakes. Shoot lang ng shoot. As in, embrace yung uniqueness mo. Very simple presentation. I hope you learned kahit paano.